असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So today we are going to do a heart activation breathing first. So this is a very powerful meditation and it allows you to let go of all the stresses, tensions, and you can have relaxation. You can also find gratitude and also you can resolve any conflicts that are inside you. Find a comfortable place to sit. Back should be supported so that you can relax and listen to my voice. You can sit anywhere on the ground or on the chair. Listen to my voice and start to relax. Take few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now close your eyes. Just focus on relaxing. Take your right hand, place it on your left chest so as to cover your heart. This is optional. You can just focus on your heart in your mind, or you can also place your hand on the left chest. Now focus on breathing. Deep breath. It should be comfortable, not forceful. Deep breathe. Deeper than you normally breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. You are relaxing more and more as you are breathing more and more deeply. As you are breathing in, you are relaxing. As you are breathing out, you are relaxing. Now feel each breathe in is going through your heart. Breathe in through your heart. Physically feel each breathe in pass through your heart, and when breathing out, feel it is passing through your heart. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. When you are breathing in calmness and breathing in relaxed feelings. With each breathing out, you are breathing out all the stresses you have, letting them disappear out into the atmosphere. Continue to do this. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. As you are breathing in and breathing out, you are relaxing. You are in the relaxed state. As you are in this relaxed state, breathing in and out through your heart, think about three things in your life that you are grateful for right now. Think about three things in your life that you are grateful for right now. They don't have to be big things. They could be as simple as being grateful for waking up this morning, or it could be feeling grateful for your family, your friends, your home, the food you eat, the water you drink. Remember three things and be grateful for them. Say thank you to them. Also, you can think of any two areas that you could be grateful for right now. Any two areas. It can be emotional, personal, spiritual, professional. Any two areas wherein you feel grateful for. It can be relationships or anything. Feel that gratitude feeling through your heart and entire being. Experience that feeling when you are experiencing this gratitude feeling. You are also smiling when you are feeling this gratitude. Feel that smile in your face. Be in that feeling for few moments. Be in that grateful feeling, gratitude feeling for few moments. Experience that through your heart. Now you can slowly start to return to the room. Take your time to open your eyes and allow them to refocus around. You can bring your hand back to comfortable position. Drop the hand from your chest and keep it anywhere comfortable. So now we are doing one relaxation technique. So this is called EFT tapping, that is emotional field technique. So you have to follow me and it is very easy to follow. Let me go back a little. So I hope you can see me. So what you have to do is you have to use these two fingers, and wherever I say along with me, you have to tap it. Okay. Say here. Okay. And second, I'll remove this here. So these are the points I'll say one by one. You have to follow me through. Okay, so we will start from this. So take your, you can do it left side or right side, it will be same. So you have to tap here. This is called as, okay, here, karate chop. So this is for relaxation. Tap here. You can tap 7 to 8 times. So you have to keep this fingers like this. Tap here at the karate chop 7 to 8 times. Keep your focus. And you can breathe in, breathe out. You can also focus on heart breathing, like before we did. Breathe in through your heart, breathe in through your heart. So after that, you tap on your head, top of your head, 7 to 8 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then at the end of your eyebrow, 7 to 8 times. Breathe in, breathe out. And here, breathe in, breathe out. And at the center of the eye. So you have to continuously breathe in and breathe out. And at the here, below this nose point here. Breathe in, breathe out. And this point, lower lip, at the center of this lower lip. So next is, here there is collarbone. You can see at the top of that 7 to 8 times. Breathe in, breathe out. So we were at this collarbone here. Continue breathing in and breathing out and tap here with your 2 fingers like this. So, and under the arm like this. Say 1 second, I'll just go back. Yeah, you can see here. So here after this, like 4-5 inch below your armpit. Here also tap 7 to 8 times. Okay. Then, so can you see my hand here? So finger, little finger, this corner. Can you see this nail?
Yes, ma'am.
Bottom corner. So you tap here. You can keep like this or tap with 1 finger also. Like I'll just explain. You can little finger that this nail is there, right? Outer side little finger. There you have to tap 7 to 8 times. And all the fingers lower side like this. Okay. So we are going to repeat it again. Karate chop. Okay, like this. on the top of your head. And continue breathing also along with that. And at the end of your eyes like this. And here eyebrows. And center of the eye like this, below the eye. And below the nose. Below your lip. Collarbone. Under your arm. And nails, that is finger, little finger, outer side of little finger. Then here, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb. Then come back to karate chop. Focus on your breathing and see how you're experiencing. With this, you should be experiencing that relaxation, I hope. Deep breathing. Breathe through your heart. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. Now your heart and mind is in sync. You can think of any one problem or issue in your life that you want to solve. Allow it to sink in. Give it some time and seek the answer or solution. After this relaxation and heart breathing, your heart and mind is in sync. So you will know the answer to your any issue or problem if you focus on that problem or issue. Give it some time. At least you will get some idea as to how you can go about that problem or issue. Once you are done, you can slowly open your eyes and come back to the room and adjust your eyes to the surroundings.